We are showing you this hotel-inspired house and lot for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Clark and Friendship. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property has a lot area of 176 square meters, floor area of 240 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a maid's room with toilet and bath, living area, kitchen, high-end interior design, swimming pool. It's fully furnished with quality fixtures and furnitures. It has a carport for 2 SUVs. Priced at 20 million pesos. If you're interested, contact us for viewing. This property is situated on a corner lot inside the secured subdivision. This is your 2-car carport. You have a very nice curb appeal. Napakagandang tingnan, mapapatingin ka talaga. Of course, your pedestrian gate, and i-check natin yung pagka-corner lot niya. Napakagandang location. Here. Very nice kasi this is the main road leading to the main gate. Let's go in. From the street level, may isa tayong step going up to your main door. Okay. So to my left, this is your 2-car carport. Tingnan natin. Very nice. Ang ganda rin ng ceiling niya, oh. By the way, guys, this is a fully furnished house and lot that is hotel-inspired. So, ma-amaze talaga kayo sa interior ng bahay na ito. You have here a very big pivot door. Ayan. With smart lock. Come in. So the first time I saw this house, sobrang speechless ko because napakaganda ng interior. This is your living area. Very nice, no? And of course, we have a very amazing console here. So by the entrance, you have a faux olive tree. Then this is your dining area. It seats 6 people. Very nice. Ito totoong solihiya to, oh. Ang ganda. And of course, meron ka malaking TV dito and your air conditioning. By the way, guys, the curtains here are included. Very nice because floor to ceiling siya. Di ba? Talagang it gives it that hotel-inspired look. On this side, you have storage right here. This is your pantry. You have a 2-door refrigerator. Of course, your kitchen counter is right here. You have 3 bar stools. And of course, itong magandang pendant lighting over the counter. Here, you have your kitchen sink, your range, and of course, more storage. At the back, meron lang mga personal items dito. This is your dirty kitchen and your staff room and pump room also. Okay? Now, dito sa baba, meron ditong multi-purpose room, as I call it, kasi pwede mo itong gamitin for gaming, for an office, for an extra bedroom. So, on the ground floor, you have a room here. Very nicely interior din. You have a TV, your sofa, and an accent chair right there. And of course, ito yung favorite artwork ko dito sa house na to. Very nice, no? Okay. Baby's room, meron tayo ditong powder room. So you have your toilet, your sink. Diba? This is under the stairs, of course. Another look sa ating living, dining, and kitchen. Ang ganda, guys. No, para ka talaga nasa hotel. Okay? Now, let's go upstairs. We have here a wooden steps sa stairs natin. This is wooden also, the handrails, and may glass detail siya. Nakaka-grand talaga yung ating floor-to-ceiling na curtains. And the steps are lighted also. Makikita natin at night, this is gonna be very safe for you to go up and down your house. And of course, this very nice chandelier. Okay? Upon landing, meron tayong mini hallway dito going to the 4 bedrooms. So, unahin natin itong bedroom dito because, as I call it, para itong junior master suite kasi mukha siyang master bedroom. So, let's go in. Upon entry, to my left, nandito yung inyong cabinets. Very nice, no? And of course, you have your bed, side tables, and meron tayo ditong, anong tawag dito guys? Comment down below. Yung nasa likod ng bed, headboard. Ayan. And of course, artworks, TV. And dito, we have an access to the front balcony. Ayan. Alright, so let's check the other rooms. Diba? Guys, tinan nyo muna, oh. And of course, the size. Very nice yung size niya. Diba? You have ample space to move around. Of course, your bed is here. Floor-to-ceiling curtains and all. Okay. Next to this room is the shared bathroom. Ayan, you have your shower, your toilet, and your sink. Now, this room is nakaset up siya for kids' room. So, we have bunk bed right here. Very nicely interior also. Diba? You have a chair, and of course, your cabinets are there. Okay? Let's go to the next room. Another very nice bedroom. Here, of course, you have a bed, your cabinets are there, TV, air conditioning, and also curtains with large windows behind. And I like this itong TV console dito, very modern yung design niya. And may I just say, the flooring of this house is very nice because tiles siya, pero it looks like wood, tapos may carpeting din siya. Okay? Now, the highlight of this house is the master bedroom. So let's check it out. So upon entry, you have here a sitting area. Imagine, may sitting area ka dito. Then you have your bed and very nice pendant lighting. Headboard is there. And one detail pa na is meron siyang mga outlets on the side of the bed. Kaya naman, very accessible siya if you have your phone at night, di ba? Nandyan siya. Of course, you have a TV right here. Floor-to-ceiling curtains. An access to the side balcony. Very nice. Your walk-in closet and your master bathroom. Let's go. So upon entry, you have a very nice vanity table right here. You can place a mirror dito. Of course, ang ganda ng detail. Tons of storage. Ayan guys. Diba? More storage. And of course, the bathroom. Okay? Dito yung inyong sink, your toilet, and your partially enclosed shower with rainfall shower and shampoo niche. Napakaganda. Okay. One more look sa ating master bedroom. And let's go down for the recap. But before the recap, I'd like to show you the highlight of the house. So this is your dining area, and we have a big door here, sliding door, leading to your swimming pool. And we can see that napaka-presko dito, mahangin. Diba? Imagine lounging here by the pool with the birds. Very relaxing. This property has a lot area of 176 square meters, floor area of 240 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a maid's room with toilet and bath, living area, kitchen, high-end interior design, swimming pool. It's fully furnished with quality fixtures and furnitures. It has a carport for 2 SUVs. Priced at 20 million pesos. If you're interested, contact us for viewing.